PM, we cut across to breaking news coming in. These are pictures from outside the Hamid Karzai International Airport in Kabul, where gunshots were heard outside the airport, after which Afghans scrambled to avoid getting caught in the crossfire. Remember, such kinds of scenes have been emerging where there has been open firing outside the Kabul airport by the Taliban. Let's take a look at this video. There is added fear among the people, especially after the twin blasts at the Kabul airport. And remember, many of them who are and have been waiting for days outside the Kabul airport, only in the hope that they will be evacuated. I want to cut across to Rohit, who's joining us from the Afghan desk. Rohit, again, open firing outside the Kabul airport by the Taliban to stop Afghans from leaving.
Well, Suesha, you know, when we say the Taliban rule of terror, there are very few videos that sum it up as much as this one. Now here, there are again, as you can see, it's a video of desperate Afghans who are once again queuing up right outside the Kabul airport, trying to flee the country as the US deadline nears. Now, the 31st of August is when the US is expected to pull out of the country, and they're not extending their deadline. And the Afghans are now realizing that it's now or never before they flee the Taliban rule of terror. Desperate Afghans once again trying to flee the country. They're queuing up right outside the Kabul airport. But here what we see is once again the Taliban opening fire, firing gunshots in, and that is their way of trying to control the crowds. The way Taliban controls the crowd is to fire gunshots in the air right outside the Kabul airport. Here we see once again, and we could even hear those gunshots quite clearly, and we can see even now in these videos, hundreds of people, they are coming to the airport every single day trying to find a way out of the country, because as we have been seeing over the last few days, the US and several other countries are evacuating their citizens from Kabul. But what about the Afghan civilians? What about the Afghan citizens who are in the country who have nowhere to go? All of these people are also now queuing up at these airports, trying to escape this country and trying to escape the Taliban rule of terror. But that's unfortunately, it's quite difficult for them. And here we're seeing day in, day out, hundreds of people queuing up outside the airport. And even just 48 hours ago, in fact, there was a blast that killed more than 100 people just outside this airport. And yet, even after that, and even after the security threat, and even after reports of more possible security threats over here, more possible terror attacks outside the airport, still day by day, we are just seeing the number of people outside the airport just increasing. More and more people, even after the terror attacks, even after more possible, of reports of more possible attacks outside the Kabul airport, more and more people are just queuing up right outside the Kabul airport trying to escape the country. And the only way the Taliban finds to be able to control the crowd is to fire gunshots in the air. And unfortunately, that is the reality of life under the Taliban in Kabul and in Afghanistan.